Hi amazing people, how you going? Apa kabar semua? I'm Evelyn and welcome to my channel whereby I share content creation ideas and tips for non-tech individuals, total beginner, and new startup digital entrepreneurs for creative projects by using Canva. If you are unaware or have not heard about Canva before, it is a free online design and publishing tool originated from Sydney, Australia. Canva is ultimately easy to use to create professional design, either for your website, blog, your social media, presentations, business cards, logos, and the list goes on. In this video, let me present you with the basic of Canva tool and make it easy for you. So let's start right now. First, let's go to canva.com. And here at the home page, click the sign up button for a new Canva account. If you're an existing Canva user, please log in directly and skip this part of the video. Here you're given options to sign up with existing Gmail or Facebook account or with other types of email. I'll walk you through how to sign up manually with other emails. Here, please fill up all the details as required and let's get started. Next, go to your email account and get the verification code from your inbox. Now go back to Canva website, put in the verification code, click done, and now you're ready to go. Here, Canva prompts users to select from one of these options based on your preferences. Go ahead and select one. For this tutorial, I'll just choose personal as the option. Now you're given an option to start the Canva Pro version for 30 days trial. Well, you can decide on this later, so let's continue to your free Canva account. Here on the home page, you can see various types of templates, social media posts, and marketing infographics in different categories. On the top right, the Create Design button allows you to search for specific templates with proper dimension. Here, I'll just start with a blank custom size design of 1920 x 1080 pixels. This is the editor screen, where all of your magical design and creation begins. I'll just start with renaming this document here. Let's say Fundamentals of Canva. Then click Enter. Please note that Canva autosave your design, even you accidentally close the tab. Now, we explore the Templates button on the left. Feel free to click on any templates design that you like, or you may drag and drop it to the blank white canvas. Now, you can click on the text, the shapes, and other elements on the templates individually to move it around and place it wherever you like. Take note, when you click on the text, there's a new toolbar appears on the top. Here at the toolbar, you can select and change to a new text style. Next, you can increase or decrease the existing font size. Then, you can also choose different colors for the text. You can make it italic. Change the placement of the text from left, center, or right, as well as bullet point forms or numbering text, as well as letter and line spacing option. I'll skip the effects part for now and show it to you on the new template. On the bottom panel, click on the existing page one, then tap on the three dots and delete this page. You can also use delete button on the keyboard. Now we have a quick look at the Elements tab. Here you will find a wide-ranging types of lines, shapes, graphics to be added to your template design. You can either search by keywords or simply scroll along to find the elements that you want. On the Upload tab, this is where you'll be able to upload your very own photos or videos from your laptop or PC device or any other social media sites. There is also an option where you can record yourself directly from the webcam. Moving on to the Photos tab, here you can find all types of stock photos available to be used for free, but some are paid version too. If you like more, go down and tap on the three dots button and click on Pexels and Pixabay. These two sites offers varieties of high quality stock photos. You can also search photos with any type of keyword, so simply insert a keyword here. I would like one with coffee, for example, so just key in coffee at the search bar. I'll select this one here and drop it at the canvas. Now we can move the photo around, resize it to fill up the whole blank canvas. Now let's add some text by clicking on this tab. You can either select regular text based on three different sizing shown here. Alternatively, Canva also offers fancy text with fonts combination. Some are free while others are paid versions. I'll just go ahead selecting a regular text under the large bold heading as the subject title. Then I'll add in a smaller text heading for the description. Now we click on the text to change the font style from this toolbar. My personal go-to font style is Poppins. Next, we click on Effects as I like to add a shadow onto the text. You can go ahead and click on any style that you like. For now, we focus on shadow style. You can adjust the slider left or right on each part to get a desired result. You can also change the shadow's color of the text here. When you scroll down further, you can see the curved shape to be applied onto the text. Let's click on it and make adjustment either upwards or downwards by moving the sliders. Alright, I like it this way, and let me drag the text to position it better. Next, let's change the font style for the smaller text here. This time I'll go with Montserrat font and use white color for the text. Now, click on Elements. I'll show you how to add a square box behind the white text. Let's search for a square shape here. Then, let's make it smaller and move it to the text. You can also use other colors by tapping on the Colors tab. Once you're done changing colors, click the Position tab to bring the text layer forward on top of the square. Next, we can highlight the whole area of the large and small text. Then click on the three dots on the toolbar. Choose Group, and now you can see all these text and elements are locked in place, whereby you can easily move them around together in a group. Let's go back to Elements and search for frames. This is the fun part, whereby you can insert any photos or videos to be displayed inside the frames. Let me find a mobile mockup here. Then I'll click on Photos, and this time I want to search for Colors Photo. Let me scroll down a little bit more to find the right image that I really want. And now drag the image, resize it to the frame, or can swap it over with another image to replace it. You can readjust the image position by double-clicking on it again and move it around. Now I'm heading back to Elements. Under Frames, I'll be using a tablet mockup. This time, we'll attach a video to the frame. So tap on the three dots below, click on Videos, and it will be added automatically to the side panel. I'll just go ahead to select a free video here just to show you how it works. You can also insert your very own video by uploading it. Alright, same process applied. We resize it and drag it to the frame. On the top panel, this is a flip button, whereby you can flip the video vertically or horizontally. Well, this applies the same to any type of image or text on the canvas. Next, we can adjust the length of the video. You can either shorten it by moving the slider to reduce the display time, or simply change the duration of the video. Now I just resize both of these frames so it is aligned neatly on the canvas. A handy tip: when you highlight these two images, you can lock them both in place by tapping on the padlock button. This is useful when you're working with other elements or different layers, so this ensures that both of these elements are staying input and locked in place. Following up, let's go back to Elements and we'll search for a spark sticker. I like the sticker to enhance the coffee image. Well, now you can see a range of static and animated stickers being displayed here. Got it. Let's drag it over to the coffee area and we'll resize it. Well, I think it looks better generally in white, so go back to the color tab and search for white color to change it. Looks great here. And now let's tap on page 1 with the three dots and duplicate the page. There's one last tab to show you is to how to change the background color for the canvas. You can simply tap on any types of background that you like and switch it again and again to however you like it. With both page 1 and page 2, this allows you to make comparison between the two designs and view which one you like most. Finally, once you have completed your design, click Download. You are given several options here which file type to go for. For this design, I'll just select MP4 video. You can also select which page you decide to save for this project. One last thing worth mentioning, when you tap on the three dots, you can also share this template directly to any of your social media which are listed here. Hooray! You have finally get to know all the basics of Canva in this tutorial. Well done! If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I'll upload videos weekly so you'll be notified when the next video is up. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Signing out!